Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. In previous class we discussed three colligative properties which are nothing but relative lowering vapor pressure, depression of freezing point, elevation of boiling point. Now we are going to discuss next colligative property. Fourth one is nothing but osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, it is denoted by pi. So what is osmotic pressure means? First you have to know about osmosis. First you have to know about osmosis. See, osmosis we are going to discuss. What is osmosis means? The flow of solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane into the solution is called osmosis. The flow of solvent particles, the flow of solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane that is nothing but a SPM. The flow of solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane into the solution is called osmosis. So experiment, we are going to discuss with help of a experiment. Okay, so this is the vessel. In this vessel I am taking water. It is the water. Solvent. Water solvent. This is. Next I am taking an instrument. This is the instrument. This is the instrument which having semi-permeable membrane, SPM, semi-permeable membrane. Into this I am taking salt solution. It is initial reading. Then the solvent particles enters through semi-permeable membrane into the solution. Then the reading will be going up. This is final reading. This is a initial reading, this is a final reading. Okay. Then what happened? When solvent particles enters through a semi-permeable membrane, the volume reading will be rise. Then if you applied pressure to bring this final reading to initial reading, then the phenomena will be stops. See what I mean to say here. The process of entering solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane into the solution is called osmosis. Due to osmosis, the solution reading will be increases. To bringing the final reading to initial position, you have to apply some pressure. That pressure is nothing but osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure means the pressure required to stop the phenomenon of osmosis. The pressure required to stop osmosis is called osmotic pressure. See, for bringing this final reading to initial position, we are applying some pressure now. Then entering of solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane into the solution will be stops. Solvent particles entering will be stops. Then that is nothing but osmosis. So here we are applying pressure. Due to applying this pressure, osmosis will be stops. So that is nothing but osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure means the amount of pressure required to stop the phenomenon of osmosis. Osmotic pressure pi is nothing but the amount of pressure, the amount of pressure to the amount of pressure required to stop or to prevent osmosis. To prevent osmosis is called pi. Osmotic pressure is called osmotic pressure. Is called osmotic pressure. So this is nothing but osmotic pressure. Okay. Then osmotic pressure pi means calculation of molar mass from osmotic pressure. Then you have to know calculation of molar mass of solute. It is nothing but MB. Calculation of molar mass of solute. Already we calculated previous 3 colligative properties. Now the amount of pressure required to prevent osmosis is called osmotic pressure. Now osmotic pressure pi is directly proportional to concentration C. Concentration C. So then pi equal to C or T. Then here C equal to N by V. N means number of moles, so it is a moles, it is a volume. Means number of moles present in 1 liter is called it is a volume. A number of moles present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So molarity having concentration. So concentration expressing method is nothing but molarity. So in the place of C equal to N by V I am writing. Then pi equal to N by V into R into T. Then N equal to number of moles. WB by MB. It is a weight by molar mass. This is equal to weight. This is equal to molar mass. The weight of a solute. It is a molar mass of a solute. Then I am substituting pi V equal to WB by MB R into T. Then I want to calculate MB. Then MB is equal to, then what happened? WB into R into T by then pi into V. Okay, here MB is nothing but molar mass of the solute, WB is nothing but weight of the solute, R is nothing but gas constant, T is nothing but temperature, pi is nothing but osmotic pressure, V is nothing but a volume. V is nothing but a volume. So this is calculation of molar mass of the solute from osmotic pressure. So this is osmosis. The flow of solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane is nothing but a semi-permeable membrane into the solution is called osmosis. Semi-permeable membrane means which allows only solvent particles but not solute particles. Semi-permeable membrane, you have to know here. SPM. The membrane which allows only solvent particles, but not solute particles. Okay, here the semi-permeable membrane is means constructed with copper ferrocyanide. It is a semi-permeable membrane is constructed with copper ferrocyanide. So here you have to write a note. Here you have to write a note. Okay, in that note you may write the membrane which allows only solvent particles but not solute particles. Why it allows only solvent particles means size of these solvent particles is less and size of these solute particles is more. That's why it does not allow solute. So it is nothing but osmotic pressure. So calculation of molar mass. Here it is very important for 2 marks. Osmotic pressure is important for 2 marks. Osmosis also important for 2 marks. Okay. So it is for MSET. The semi-permeable membrane is constructed with copper ferrocyanide. So it is nothing but copper ferrocyanide, which is constructed with copper ferrocyanide. Copper ferrocyanide. Okay. It is for MSET. It is for MSET. So this is for conversation is for MSET. The conversation is for MSET. It is for IP. It is for IP. So this is, got it? Then write it. Then write it. Next you have to know 2 marks question, isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions. This is important for 2 marks. What are isotonic solutions means? If you take two solutions which having osmotic pressure is the same at a given temperature are called isotonic solutions. Okay. So the solutions which having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature T are called isotonic solutions. Are called isotonic solutions. Okay. Explanation. For example, X, it is a solution. Y, it is a solution. Its osmotic pressure is pi 1. Its osmotic pressure is pi 2. If pi 1 equal to pi 2, then these two are isotonic. Okay. This is explanation. If X is a solution, if Y is a solution, solution X, solution Y, osmotic pressure is pi 1, its osmotic pressure is pi 2. If pi 1 equal to pi 2, they are nothing but isotonic solutions. This is the explanation. Okay. Next I am going to do example. So blood is isotonic with saline. Blood is isotonic with saline. Saline means it contains 0.9% weight by volume of NaCl solution. 0.9% weight by volume 0.9% weight by volume NaCl solution is called saline. Here blood osmotic pressure is equal to pi 1 of blood is equal to pi of saline. Pi of blood is equal to pi of saline. Then these two are said to be isotonic solutions. Okay. What are isotonic solutions means? The solutions which having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature, they are said to be isotonic solutions. Stand means understand. So this is next we are going to discuss reverse osmosis. It is also very important. Reverse osmosis. See, I am going to explain reverse osmosis with help of a diagram. So this is the diagram I am taking. Okay, which having a outlet, which having a outlet. This is the diagram I am taking. Which having a so this is the outlet, water outlet. Okay, see here, it is semi-permeable membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane. Here I am taking water. This is pure water. It is it is a piston. It is a piston. It is nothing but salt water. It is nothing but salt water. So first solvent particles entered into the solution. It is a solvent. It is a solvent. It is a solution. First water particles enters through semi-permeable membrane into the salt water. Then the water level will be rising up. The water level will be rising up. Then the piston moves up. So if you bring piston to initial position, then movement of water particles will be stopped. That is called osmotic pressure. So movement of salt water particles into the salt water is nothing but osmosis. Then if you applied more than the osmotic pressure on solution side, then what happened means this salt water contains solvent particles also. So salt water contains a solvent. Solvent particles also enters into the through semi-permeable membrane enters into the pure water. The process of entering solvent particles from the solution into the pure water is nothing but reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis. That is nothing but the amount of pressure means the pressure applying on the solution side which is more than osmotic pressure, then solvent particles through semi-permeable membrane into the pure water is called reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis means, see, if we applied the pressure is on applying pressure more than osmotic pressure, then on applying more than osmotic pressure, on applying pressure which is more than osmotic pressure, which is more than osmotic pressure on solution side, then solvent particles enters, then solvent flow of solvent particles through SMP into the pure solvent, on applying pressure which is more than osmotic pressure on the solution side, then flow of solvent particles through semi permeable membrane into the pure solvent is called reverse osmosis. See, first solvent into the solution, osmosis, then piston moves up. If you bring the initial position, then osmosis will be stopped, that is osmotic pressure. If you applied more pressure than solution side, then salt water containing water also flows through the semi permeable membrane into the pure water, is called reverse osmosis. By using this reverse osmosis, we may purify bore water into drinking purpose. We may purify salt water into drinking purpose. In our homes, we are connecting these type of machines to purify the water. It is nothing but a reverse osmosis, which is nothing but a reverse osmosis. Okay, so this is briefly solutions. Okay, solutions chapter is over. Some more very short answers you have to read from material. Abelioscopic constant, cryoscopic constant, isotonic solutions already I dictated. You have to read some more very short answers from the material. Okay, bye.